The Keto Bowl variety is here. I got my avocado. I got my boiled eggs. I got my wild Alaskan salmon. I got my bell pepper mixed with Brussels sprouts. Who says keto meal can't be delicious in nutrition and all put together? You got your protein, your fats, and your healthy carbs in here. What more can you want? So what I have right here is some Brussels sprouts already chopped up. We're gonna actually chop this up even more. Chop the ends off, get rid of the end, cross. Why do I chop it up so small? So when you put it in the skillet, it actually cooks down better. So we're gonna take the Brussels sprouts and put them in the pan first. All right, so the next is the bell peppers, all right? Cut about 3 bell peppers up. Very simple, you just actually chop the ends of the bell pepper off the side. These are actually baby bell peppers. I like to use 3 different colors to give it a little bit more flavor and also just change things up a little bit. You don't have to get them too small because put them in the pan, it's gonna actually saute it down. Add that to the pan as well. So you can see all those beautiful colors. One of the reasons why I like this dish is because a lot of people that get on the health tip, their biggest problem is, oh, either health food either doesn't taste good or it's too expensive. This meal here is very inexpensive. You know, there's no excuses. And you can actually get this at any local grocery store. Bell peppers, baby bell peppers, Brussels sprouts, also avocados. So the base of what we like to use to cook with is coconut oil. I like to use coconut oil because it's healthier than using canola oil or vegetable oil, what we used to use back in the day. Just a little bit. Just you want to cover the pan a little bit, not too much. Turn this on medium heat. This is what we have so far. Yes, doesn't that look beautiful? Mama say eat their vegetables. She wasn't lying. All right, so the seasonings we're gonna add. It's a little Tony Satchel, you never leave home without it. Only sprinkle just a little bit, because it's a tad bit higher in sodium. Sprinkle a little bit on that just for flavor. Yes, and some garlic powder. Garlic is really good for food. You basically just season it up real good. All right, we got the oven on here. Yes, let that sit and simmer for about 15 minutes and that should be done. The next thing we're gonna do is actually chop the avocado, take the seed out. I like to just scoop it out, all right, like that. And then you slice it. Also, we're gonna add, one thing I forgot to add that I really good love is, like I said, the wild Alaskan salmon. I like this because it's a healthy fat, good source of protein, and it's a good omega-6. I take that there, put off to the side, slice it. Now, if you're making this meal for more than one person, obviously, you're gonna have to add a little bit more. This we got from actually Costco, wild Alaskan salmon, but you can also get this from any local grocery store as well. But I like to go from Costco because it's wild Alaskan rather than farm raised. So, I'm about to taste it. The moment of truth. I see what they're talking about. If you want more tip how to make the Keto Variety Bowl, drop variety in the comments below for more tips like this, more videos. Oh, hold on, let me taste that again. Oh, sorry to interrupt. I gotta go, bye.